welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is my son, Mike. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And as you can see me here, guys, I'm going to lower this a little bit because I don't want it to start smoking. I'm going to make some scrambled eggs. And then after I make these scrambled eggs, there's 6 of them that I put in there.
Oh, yeah.
After I make these scrambled eggs, I am also going to put them in a hoagie roll. These hoagie rolls that I have here, guys, with cheese. I already put butter on it, as you can see.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna put some cheese, some turkey bacon that you see over here on the side that I already made. And I'm just turning this like this.
Oh, yeah.
So these eggs can cook. Oh yeah, guys, it's gonna be fun. I'm just gonna move it, you know, anywhere you can. They don't have to be exactly perfectly, you know, like everybody thinks that it's supposed. Exactly. I put salt in them. That's all I'm gonna put.
That's right.
You can always add your pepper.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like the pepper in them because of my colitis. You know, it goes inside, exactly, and those sores that you have, and it hurts you.
Oh, yeah.
And you don't want to do that. So these are our eggs, and I have the oven. You see, Mike, guys, how I have the oven on 400. You see that, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Michael likes this a lot, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so guys, look, so I bought these rolls a while back, right?
Yes.
Let me just put this here so we can make them together. So I bought them a while back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by doing 2, okay, guys? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my eggs here, like that. I'm gonna make these 2 with cheese because that's what Michael likes, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Michael likes those cheesy sandwiches. That's him, all right. A little bit more, Mike. And he likes his eggs in it. And then I'm gonna put cheese on it.
Look at that, perfectly cooked.
Like that, guys.
Oh, yeah.
These are hoagie rolls.
What's a hoagie?
It's just a roll, a bread that is not made out of a thing. It has, you see how they're different. The dough is different. It's like French bread, but in small rolls.
Oh, yeah.
So here we go. Put some bacon. You want like 2 strips of bacon on each side, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Let's put 2 strips for Michael, like that. And then you have your oven on 400. Excuse me. And then move, Michael. Now you can make this when it's cold with some hot cocoa, guys. Yeah. And you put it in there. We're gonna let that cheese smell. And voila, like 2-3 minutes, and we'll be right back. So meanwhile, right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put eggs on one of these, and the other one I'm gonna just eat it like that. That's for me. So for now, I just want to let you guys know that it's nice making videos like this for all you guys and for everybody that voted yesterday. Whatever the Lord has in store for us, that's what it's gonna be, right, guys? It doesn't matter what candidate won. We're just gonna have someone running the presidency up there. So with that, guys, just follow us on Instagram, and also if you want to donate, you can donate $1 or not. You can go, and that's about it. And just join us. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Okay, guys, and then I'm gonna make these other 2 that is for me, but without the cheese, the same thing. So I'm gonna. All right. So here we go. So we're back. Michael, why you like to play like that? Okay, guys. That was another slice of cheese that I got, and I put it in there. Look how toasty these are. So that's mine down there, but I'm gonna let mine still toast. So this is what your turkey, bacon, egg, and cheese is gonna look like. Go ahead.
Without the hands. Minus hands.
Okay, wait. I wanna do this. Go.
Look at that, everyone. Mom, can I get a clear shot?
So Michael can take a clear shot. So anyway, guys, so here you go. This is your bacon and scrambled egg and cheese on a hoagie roll.
Beautiful.
This is what it looks like. They're gonna be really nice, as you can hear. Let's keep quiet here a little bit. You hear that, Michael? That's the crunchiness of it. So I'm gonna cut one in half, and with that, I'm gonna let you guys go and remind you guys that we're gonna be filming at least 2 or 3 times a week, right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
And now that
Maybe more.
all this stuff is over with, you know, we gotta get back to what we were doing before, what we're good at. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and look me up on Pinterest. I am on YouTube where you see me, and if you want to donate $1 or none, you can go to patreon.com. Click down below, it'll take you directly to the website where you want to put that $1, $2, $3, as much as you want. And you can see that crispy bacon. I'm gonna open them so you can continue to look. So with that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. And don't forget not to drink and drive. Have a great day, everyone.